but I make mine with hot dog. Everything is made from scratch. This is nice.
Yeah, Mommy.
Hello everyone, welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today we have recipe for pizza. We're going to be making pizza. So these are the flour I will be using for the pizza, and these are the clean bowl, and I also have a traditional active dry yeast. So we're going to be using this yeast. So watch out and see how we're going to make this pizza. First we have to bring out the flour. I'm going to be using like 4 cups of flour. This is 1 cup of flour, 2 cups, 3 cups, 4 cups. So these are the 4 cups of flour we're going to be using. So these are the whole milk. I've added some of yeast inside the whole milk, and these are the remaining yeast. I have to put some of it to to this flour. These are the yeast. You can see how it looks. So these are the yeast. Some of the yeast is inside the flour, and the one I mix with the milk, I'm going to pour them down to the flour and mix everything together. So this is it. Just mix everything well. This is where I will come in with my hand to mix it all together very well. This is the dough. This is called pizza dough. It's very easy. You see? You can see. So now I have to take it out. So I will put it inside a nylon bag so it can stay here for some few more minutes. I'm gonna put it back here. Just tighten the knot. This is it. You keep it back here and leave it for like 20 to 30 minutes, so it will rise up very well. Then we start to make the form for pizza. Thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. So these are the ingredients I will be using for this pizza. These are hot dog, and these are tomatoes, and this mozzarella for the pizza. This hot dog, we're going to slice it, so we will use it as pepperoni for the pizza. So watch out and see how I am going to transform all this to pizza topping. So I have to start the cutting. It's very easy, just like this. So this is the hot dog already sliced. You can also buy the one they already sliced at the supermarket. So right now, these are the cheese. I have to start the grating for the cheese. So this is it. These are my grates. I use it to grate a lot of stuff. Carrot and all is already here to grate this. See? That's how you grate it. You see? This is it. You see? These are how you make your mozzarella cheese grate. So these are the mozzarella already grated, and these are the hot dog sliced. So right now we bring it out. The pizza is already double in size. So what we'll do now is to bring it out from the nylon bag. You can tear the nylon bag if you want. See? See? Yes. So right now, I'm just gonna nail it again, but I'm gonna add just a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit. Yes, like that. So just gonna nail everything together. See, like elastic. Very easy to do. This is homemade pizza. Just nail everything together. Play with it the way you want. See, this is it. This is the type of pizza you will eat and enjoy. So this is it. Homemade pizza from scratch. So it's easily, see? We are not going to roll it. We are not going to press it out. We're just going to do it the way it is. The way you used to make pizza in the days of our grandmothers. So this is how I'm going to make it. So you see, this is it. And we already have 2 trays here. So we're going to be using this tray. These are 2 trays we'll be using for the pizza. We have different sizes. These are the medium size. You can use the large, the small, but these are the medium. So right now I'm just going to portion the pizza out. Very easy. You see? This is one portion for the tray. I'm going to portion like 2 first. So this is another portion for the other tray. So I'm gonna use this one for another extra pizzarotti. You know what they call pizzarotti? It's just gonna be like a sack, like the way we do meat pie. So this is the one I'll use for that. So here I just keep this first. Right away, let's work on the pizza parts. So right now, we got one of this. See, this is the one we're gonna be using. So we're not gonna add anything here. Just gonna place it in. That's why I dropped some oil here. No flour, nothing additive. Just spread out your dough and good to go. Now I'm just gonna work it in here. Gonna open it up till it covered this tray. That is when we start this pizza making of the pizza. So right now I just have to open it up with my hand. I don't need roller, I don't need presser. You just make pizza anyhow you want to make your pizza, and it tastes so good. It's so crunchy, nice and succulent inside. So watch out and please subscribe to my channel. If you are new on my channel, you are very welcome. Please subscribe and share this video. So these are the pizza dough. This is already formed, and these are the second one. So I make sure everything went well. I just spreading it through the pan until all spread. It's very easy. You see, you can also roll it out and put it inside here, the pan. So this is how we make our pizza, homemade pizza. So right now we start to add all the ingredients we're gonna be using for the pizza. So now we're just gonna be adding the tomatoes. These are tomatoes. It's just fresh tomatoes pressed out without the skin. You can use it with skin. You just blend everything together with a little bit of salt, pepper, and oregano. So now you just spread everything. You see, this is how you do your pizza. You spread it out. You spread it. This is your pizza. So the next now, you're just gonna be adding the cheese. It's called mozzarella. Fill it up with mozzarella. This is how you do it with mozzarella. A lot of it. Cover all the tomato sauce. Cover it up with mozzarella. So this is it, and right away we start to add the pepperoni, but I made mine with hot dog. Everything is made from scratch. I made everything myself from scratch. So this is it. So this is it. This is how you make your pizza. Pizza pepperoni. This is how you make it. So this is it now. Right now, I'm just gonna place it in the oven, 400 degrees, 15 minutes. So this is the pizza is ready. Oh my God, this is so nice and it's so good. So subscribe to my channel and also share this video. These are all the pizza I made from scratch. Just have to cut it open. Wow, this is nice.
Yeah, Mommy.
So thank you all, and
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.